So last night we spent some time up on the rooftop deck. It was so much fun and we went at sunset. So I'm gonna roll the footage now. Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Well, we need to talk before I get into today's video. First of all, I think there are a lot of misconceptions in the decorating world. And I've seen this one too many times on different people's channels, including my own. And that is that just because you live in a certain area means that you cannot decorate in certain styles, which is simply not the case. So in my community post, I had mentioned potentially bringing coastal to this industrial style loft in downtown Pittsburgh. And I had one person say, coastal and an industrial loft, question mark? And I thought, yes, why not? Why not? So let me put this to rest. If you're like me and you like a certain decorating style, but the designers say you shouldn't decorate with that style because maybe you live in a different area. But I would just have to argue, how many of us fell in love with farmhouse style after watching Joanna Gaines transform one house after the next in the farmhouse style? Think about this. How many of you actually live in an actual farmhouse, but yet you decorate in that style, or you used to, right? I think that is a prime example of decorating with a style that doesn't necessarily fit your home. I think about a lot of moms, for example, they'll live in the suburbs in big, huge communities, and they're all decorating in the farmhouse style, but yet they don't live anywhere near the farmlands. They just like the style. So anyway, that's what I'm saying, is always do what you like in your home. Throw away those misconceptions. My family asked me to decorate in the coastal style for summer because I used to do that. My husband and I are both born and raised Southern California people. We spent many of our summers at the beach, and we love the sun, the sea, the sand. And in the summer months, I think it's perfectly acceptable. It's no different than decorating with themes. You know, it's a summer theme here in an industrial apartment, and I don't care. I think it's perfectly fine to bring that coastal vibe to your home. So without further ado, let me show you what I purchased right before Mother's Day. Okay, so in knowing that I wanted to go coastal, I wanted to lighten things up here in the apartment, and I found this great piece on Craigslist of all places. It was one of the best finds I ever found. It looks practically brand new, although it's vintage, and it's been restored and chalk painted. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has deep drawers so I can put decor items in there or my plate collections. I couldn't be happier. And this was a bonus too. So I can add light. You know what I always say, let there be light. So I could not be happier with this purchase, just tickled pink. But with this beautiful white hutch, I, in my head, was thinking Hamptons style. I have never really decorated with blues and whites, like navy and white. I've done like the coastal cool colors. So I really wanted to kind of challenge myself to do something pretty and elegant here on these shelves. So I was at Walmart and I was walking down the aisles and I went, that's it. Those are the plates I'm looking for. This is by Mainstays, and this collection comes in different plates. So we're gonna use these as a part of this display, and then we're gonna add in little coastal touches, just little. Let's get started, and as I start to piece the items together, you'll see the different plates and how I'm going to incorporate them together. So I needed some plate stands, and I got these great ones on Amazon, and I believe I got 6 of them, but they're really good. You can put 2 plates in them if you need to, or just go single. Okay, next I found this beautiful vase on Amazon. It's blue botanical with like a darker color at the rim. I ended up getting 2. If you're into the blue and white, I highly recommend these. They're very good quality and they're beautiful. Great value and great style. Doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. I'm mixing styles and patterns. So I will link the eucalyptus that I absolutely love on Amazon. You get several stems. What I love is they fluff way out. So what I'm gonna do is put 1 stem in that vase and 1 of these stems in that one. So I just got this set of 3 candle holders on Amazon. Love them, great quality. And I'm not using these to put candles on the top or topiary balls. I'm just simply using them sort of as a sculptural look and feel. If you're into the coastal look, I found this on Amazon. So cute. And I'm just gonna sit that right there. Really, really cute, you guys. Okay, second shelf, I'm going in with yet another plate holder. I'm going in with the white plate with a blue salad plate. So white and then the blue in the front. So I went on Amazon, I was looking for some sailboats and I found a lot of great ones, but they were very cutesy wootsy pootsy, and I wanted something that looked a little bit more classy, more Hampton style, and I found these. I would say these are a little bit more on the modern side. I'm going to put them together like this. Okay, next, I found this beautiful glass bowl at Home Goods, and I thought, what could I do with this? And I came up with this. Okay, so these are my items. I have a bag of sand, a beautiful LED candle that I got on Amazon. I love it. This glass bowl from Home Goods, and some seashells. Let's see what I do. And so that's what it looks like. It may be hard to see, but it's really pretty. Down below, I'm going in with 3 salad plates. I'm going to add this little lantern. It looks very coastal, and again, let there be light. I just got this white beaded wood tray on Amazon. I like to use trays because you can create and contain your vignettes and have it look real pretty and tidy. So I'm gonna place that on the bottom shelf. I always have to have a chicken or rooster in my kitchen. Then I wanted to add in a pop of blue, so I just got this beautiful glass jar on Amazon, and then I got the smaller one that goes with it. I feel like this one's a little bit darker, this one's a little bit lighter, and they go great together. Really pretty, good quality. but not least, I have this really pretty white marble scalloped cake stand. And what I'm gonna put in here is starfish. I'm not putting my faux muffins like I normally do. I'm keeping with the coastal theme and I'm using starfish. So I got a bag of white starfish on Amazon and I'm just gonna put them together in the cake stand. By the way, the round white tray and the white round cake stand sort of mimic each other on each side. See, and look how cute that looks. It's different. I absolutely love how this looks. To me, it's very Hampton style. I also want to share these. I found these on Amazon because this is the color I'm adding in around the loft. Got these florals on Amazon. They're absolutely gorgeous. And I'm popping these in with, I'm popping this greenery pick in with these. And it is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm doing it in a big white pot. If you get these on Amazon, they come in a set of 3. They're very long, you can bend them. Same thing with these, they're fairly long, but 2 together are absolutely stunning when you get it all fluffed and in your vase. So I love how these colors are playing off each other. I've never really decorated with the blue and whites, but I'm loving it. And then if you want to pop in some darker navy to really play it up, I can add some of these in as well. So you can see when they're all together, it looks gorgeous. Also got these seabirds on Amazon and I love them. And some people in the comments were, oh my gosh, they came broken. Bird comes off the legs. All you have to do is, I hold this and then push down and you have 2 gorgeous seabirds. So this is gonna be going with my theme in the family room. I also got these on Amazon. They are pitberry garlands and they're really pretty. They look like this. I'm thinking of adding some of this up here to add a little bit of texture and pops of white. I think it would be pretty. You can mix different elements and actually come out with a really pretty look. Might intertwine some fairy lights with it. So I don't know, we're not gonna do that today, but I'm going to think on it. But I did get 2 of these. All right, friends, well, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day, and I will see you guys back here Friday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be here or in West Virginia. We'll see. Mwah. Bye, guys.